Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this iconic Sabrina Carpenter cutout dress. So select this outfit and just remove gem, and I'm just going to color it pink, but you can color it any color you want. People usually color it like yellow, like this yellow. So I'm just going to do that actually. Select this outfit, and I'm just going to go back here to go to the skin tone section. So color wheel, and then just copy the hex code. Then on this one, on the heart, you're going to paste it. Then on the rest, you're going to color it the same as your outfit, like that. Then just add like a skirt. People usually add the skirt on. And then, hold on, let me just color it the same. And people will usually add this on to complete the look. You can add in some other items as well here, like a microphone, and I'm just going to add in platform boots, heels, I don't know. These ones look good, I think. Just going to color that white all around. And yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.